Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a special news for the Textplus users, and it's a bit of a troublesome news for the Textplus users, and not only for the Textplus users, but who and all are using virtual numbers and located outside the US or Canada. It's a bit troublesome news, and the news which I'm going to share to you is not even available on the internet. Even if you search for stuffs like uh, if you search about the law which I'm speaking about, you'll not get any search results in the Google Chrome or any of the stuffs. You'll only get news about the 2020, the law passed in 2020 about to stop the robocalls and the fine of $1,500 for the people who are using the robocalls and irritating the consumers. Well, first of all, this is not actually a law which has been full-fledged implemented, but it is actually a message from the US law enforcement, that is the people who up the police. Let's just say, to keep the term simple, let's just say police. What they did is that the cybercrime did is that in order to reduce the spams or scams happening in the US uh, via cell phones or anything, what they did is that they made sure that only the people who are located within the US or Canada would be able to obtain US and Canada numbers, and all the other people who are using the virtual number providing applications such as Textplus, TextNow, Google Voice, Second Line, TextMe, NextPlus, Talkatone. Well, the list just keep on growing, right? Yeah, but hereafter, all these applications are going to display you errors. Well, they first of all targeted the big companies such as Google Voice and TextNow to display errors like this. This error is from the TextNow application. This is from the second line application. This is for people who already had an account, but their account got disabled. Even though they were using this application for more than 2 years, their account just got suddenly disabled, and they were not able to obtain a number, and they were not able to use any of the TextNow features. Now, as a starting stage, this is happening in the Textplus application too. Right now, we'll be able to make an account, but we will not be able to uh, get a local phone number for free. But soon, what the same Textplus application is going to do is that if they find your account is created outside the US or Canada, what they're going to do is that they are going to make sure that your account is going to get disabled. So, is there no other way to solve it? Well, there are ways you could solve it. If not, why are you coming here and watching my videos? I am the Protech Genius. I will solve all of the problems for you. So guys, before moving on to the video of the problem solving steps, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive daily updates of the videos which I post. And mainly, the videos which I post focuses on the virtual numbers. Uh, Not only the virtual numbers, it focuses on all the tech news and the tech updates going on in the technological world. It will also help you solve the problems such as these virtual number problems, etc. So if you're watching my video today, you would be able to solve this problem, and you would be able to obtain a local phone number like this for yourself using the Textplus application entirely for free. Okay, so keep your trust on me, do what I say, and at the end you'll be able to obtain a local phone number. Okay, now let us move on to the video. First of all, go install the Textplus application from the Google Play Store. This trick works on the Android devices. I am not sure about the iOS devices. Well, according to me, the Apple devices suck, and I hate Apple users. There are even my sister is an Apple user, but I'm just stating that Apple sucks. It's not worth your money. So just go sell your Apple device and buy an Android device. But if you're already watching my video, I hope you are an Android user. The next step is that go open the Textplus application. The place where you would be able to obtain your local phone number is going to be here. Go click on this button over here. Go choose a free number bundle. Choose your state. Obviously, my state, New York. Choose a area code. Obviously, the same 315. Get a custom number, and yeah, this error is going to occur. Okay. Now we're just gonna click on OK. If you are following my channel and keeping regular tabs on my channel, you would obviously know that before 3 days, I mean, from the time I'm shooting, it was before 3 days. By the time I'm posting, it will be before 5 days. I actually posted a video on solving the Textplus error problem. In that video, I clearly explained you guys how to solve this problem, but still, many of you were asking me that the solutions were not working. I mean, you guys were not even able to make an Textplus account. Trust me, making an Textplus account is very easy. I leave this video's link in the description. Go check it out. I mean, not only in the description, in the first comment too. I'll pin the comment. So go before quitting this video, go check out the comment section. There are going to be a lot of useful videos to help you to solve all the problems from the sign up problem till the something went wrong error. Okay, so go take a look at the comment section and the description. If you're lazy to check out the description, go take a look at the comment section, or just click on the I button at the right side top corner. There are going to be a few suggested videos. All of these videos are going to help you a lot if you're into the virtual number world and stuffs. Now moving back, this video actually teaches you to solve the sign up error problem. If you're still unable to solve the problem, all you have to do is that go to my channel. This is my channel. Click on this Protech Genius page over here, and you would be taken to my about page. Here, if there is a link over here, as you can see, t.me/vgns group, or you could just go to the about, and here I have a few URLs. One is my email, another is this channel's URL, and another is the Telegram group's URL. Go click on this URL and join the Telegram group and ask any doubt which you have. A lot of people were messaging me personally. I found it hard for you guys to reply, so I made a group. Here, ask all the stuffs, questions are related to your problems, and I will be glad to help you. Right, so if you're still unable to solve the error by watching this video, all you have to do is that move on to a different application, right? Go use some other application. Why are you just sticking to one application? For me personally, I use 10 plus applications in order to get virtual numbers and make social media accounts using these virtual numbers and stuff. And I do not make cold calls, but for making cold calls, I have a lot of applications which provide me with free unlimited cold calling. Okay, so that is a video which shows you about the this video is titled the Techno Alternative Apps, but there are a few good stuffs, the top 10 stuffs, and if you take a look at yesterday's video, I posted the top 5 Techno Alternative applications, and that video also is going to help you a lot. So the best alternative which I'm going to give you for the Textplus application is going to be the Techno application, and I actually found an easy way to solve the errors. So go install the Techno application when you're facing an error, and yes, you will definitely face an error. You'll face 4 errors, and that is this video which helps you solve all the 4 errors, and this video's link is also going to be in the description and the first comment. So go watch this video, solve the errors. If you're unable to solve any of the errors, go to my Telegram channel, message me. You just go take a look at my Telegram channel. If you're able to see the past messages, you'll be able to understand yourself how to solve the errors. But if you're still unable to solve the errors, message me in the group. I will be glad to help you. And what's more, you can solve all the problems and stuffs. That's it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope so. You guys may be angry that I did not show you practically to solve the errors. Well, there is this another video which shows you practically how to solve the error. So why should I waste time? I just gave you the news. I just showed you guys how to contact me. I just gave you the solution of the alternate application. So what more? So guys, if you do enjoy watching videos on my channel, and if you did enjoy watching this video, just go click on thumbs up button below this video. And like I told before, go click on subscribe button, the bell button near to subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel in order to receive daily videos. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. This is me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in tomorrow's video. Until then, bye.